So I'm currently down here in Tijuana, Mexico, and what I thought I'd do today is a little walking tour around Tijuana Revolución, maybe some of the side streets. And I'm right here at the monument or arch, and you can't miss it really. And I just walked in here from Ped East, and it takes about 20 minutes, you know. And I use my passport card because that's all you need is that. If you don't have that, just bring your passport. And I also have a Sentry card, so it'll make it a little bit easier to get in when I go back across the US later. But this is what is here when you first arrive. And this is probably the most famous street here. And one thing about Tijuana, it is very safe to walk around here. You know, in parts, obviously, every city has its danger areas, but what we're gonna do is take a walk down this way and check it out and have some fun, and then stop for some nothing but drugstores and souvenir shops, you know. And of course, a lot of dentists are available here because a lot of people come from across the border to, you know, do the dental work. So I'm going to go down here, cross the street, and one thing about lights is try to watch for the lights because they're pretty accurate. You don't want to try to do any jaywalking. A lot of wanted posters around here. That's a nice thing right there. I think you can come down here and just get about anything you want without a prescription. That's why there's so many of them here. Or if you do have one, you just come down and you can get it for maybe a quarter of the price of what you'd pay for in the US. Downtown food court. It's definitely getting close to lunch too. I'm getting hungry. We're also going to check out, again, some side streets. Again, action on the main road here, Revolución. Kind of like a sight and sounds. That's really all this is all about. There's a casino right here. I've actually stayed down here, and I'm going to go up to that hotel that I stayed at, and I'm going to point something out that is a must-have or try when you do come here to Tijuana. Oh, look at this. Hello. Oh, let's see what we have here. Now, this has changed a little bit since I was here last time. It used to be this was part of the street, but it looks like they just made it into a walkway. Now, I have stayed at this Hotel Caesars a few times, and it really is a nice hotel because it's central to just about everything. And another thing is, you go in the restaurant here, right? Tijuana Caesars, that is the origin of the Caesar salad. It really is something. I made a video on it about 9 months ago, and I'll put it in the link below and you can see it. It really is a treat to experience that. I mean, to actually eat the origin of the actual salad where you hear all the time, you know, Caesar salad, it's world recognized. Yeah, they have definitely done some work down here. Because before, this was the street. But it's kind of cool, they just made it into a nice walking area. So you get to see a little bit of upgrades. And they're doing it on some of the other streets ahead too. Kind of reminds me of a little bit of a downtown San Diego. But this is as far as I'm going to walk from here. Now I'm going to go check out some of the side streets. Very reasonable stays here too. I mean, it may be about 40-50 bucks a night to stay. You know, that place was still being worked on when I was on that high rise right there. So I think that's a hotel. It might be. Go to the other side and then head back, and then go hit the some other areas. Oh yeah, so that is the Holiday Inn Suites. Again, they were working on that when I was here before, and it looks like it's all done. So plenty of places to stay around here. Okay, so you get to see what's over here on the other side as I head somewhat back to the arch, although I'm not going to go all the way back to it. I'm going to be making a left up here. Look at this. Look at this thing. God of Rain. Definitely could use some of that though, right? You know how deep this place goes. Probably gonna have to get myself a Mexico hat. Hello. Tijuana. Meds for less. I'm telling you, you can get just about anything in here for much cheaper than what you get across in the U.S. Okay, gonna take this street right down here. Check it out. See what's along the side here. I would just call it, you know, normal, everyday doings on Tijuana. Okay, more of a, you see a lot of this right here. This is called a street bazaar. There's plenty of them. Everybody's trying to sell something. There are some streets that it's just all the way down. You have my burritos right here. I didn't know they sell printed material here anymore. It's so rare nowadays. Nice lunchware right there. Let's see what's going on down this way. Looks like all types of... That looks good, man. Definitely the flies like it though. Let's see what's over here. More street bazaars. I mean, definitely you come down here, you're going to get a bargain. Whatever you're looking for. If you got a passport, come down here. Now, this is a rarity right here. You don't see payphones anymore. I certainly don't see them. I would just call this like a typical day in Tijuana, because that's really what it is. Everyday life. People going places. People selling things, you know. Oh, mangoes. Look at those mangoes. Ah, I miss those Thailand mangoes. Those are straight from Mexico. They've actually copied them now. Coconuts. I mean, you just don't see that in the U.S. I mean, at least not in San Diego. Okay, this is a typical intersection here on Constitucion. Very busy. Man, we finally made it across. Let's go down here a little bit, see what's going on. So much going on. So much stuff for sale, unbelievable. Hang on to your wallet. That's all I can say. Keep it in front of you. More of these special drinks right here. Look at that. They almost look like waffles, don't they? That's really something. Mango, it looks like mango. Yeah, mango with hot pepper. That is a good choice right there. This looks like another bazaar again.
Oigo que sale desde dentro de mí.
Everything is in season now, all the fruits. Okay, I'm going to make my way over there to the Guadalupe. You can see it in the distance, right ahead. I mean, you can't get away from this, and there's just so much here. Here's mangoes. Mangoes. That can't be the right time. It's actually after 12. So go in here and check this market out. It's right across the street from the church almost. Looks kind of interesting. See what they have here. Wow, look at this. Kind of a touristy place though in a way. Hate to say it. But let's get a feel of it. You know what's here. Let's see, go down to the right. I think I'll hit that street. That'll bring me to. Wow, look at those coconuts. Unbelievable. Reminds me of Thailand. And this is right outside here at the Guadalupe. And we'll go inside and check it out. You know, do a little prayer in there. Okay, so that was a nice little visit there in the church. They do have a service going on, but okay, gonna make my way to my lunch stop here. This is kind of like a little plaza area right off the monument. And I'm gonna head down here toward the end, but you can see what's here along the way. Very colorful area. And there's my buddy Mario down there. So kind of a good overall view of what's around here in this part of Tijuana. Obviously there's a lot to see, and I can't see everything in one day, So I'll break this up a little bit, but it's just to get a good feel of it. And there's Mario right there. He's gonna hook me up. Hello, Mario. Lunchtime, man.
Welcome.
Yeah. All right, what we got here?
Enjoy.
Lunchtime, man. Right?
It's very safe.
Yes.
As long as you don't come over here looking for anything else that you should.
Yeah.
And you'll be okay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, you'll come and eat.
Yep.
Have good food.
Yep.
Meet good people.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a little bit of everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good people, bad people,
Yeah.
eating people.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of different type of people over here too, just like
Yeah.
in the U.S.
Oh yeah, yeah.
or anywhere else.
Yep. Yep.
You know, you're looking for trouble, you're gonna find trouble.
Yeah.
But if you just come over and have a good time, you'll have a good time.
Yeah.
And go back home safe with
Yep.
no problem in Mexico and Tijuana.
So it's actually no problem walking from Ped East to come over here. It's very safe.
It's safe.
Very safe.
Just don't walk
Especially if you do it during the daytime.
No, but it's safe.
Yeah, it's no different than any other night place in some city somewhere, you know.
It's
So,
safe.
yeah, yeah,
Lee, I feel safe right here too.
yeah. So Mario is, I've met Mario here. He doesn't remember though, but at least actually it was 2 years ago was the first time I met you, but you don't remember. And I was here about 9 months ago, and this is the first place I wanted to see.
First Mexican he met. True Mexican.
Yeah, no, good man. Mario's a good man.
And now he's gonna have some fajitas.
It's right.
Big
That's
fajitas right here in my place.
You bet, man. You bet.
With
Yeah.
no tortillas because he don't want to get big.
That beef fajita. Absolutely delicious. Okay, this is my end right here of my little walking tour of a part of Tijuana, Mexico. Although there's a lot to it. Just a little bit, kind of walking around, have some lunch here, run into my old friend Mario. And if you like this content, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I'll see you later from Tijuana.